Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll cover 13 questions about financial reporting. As you progress in your CMA exam preparation, challenge yourself to solve each question in less than 2 minutes. Use a timer to create a time-bound environment, just like in the actual exam. Here's a suggestion: pause the video on the question slide, give yourself 1.5 minutes to solve it, and then resume to check your answer on the next slide. Remember, time management is crucial in the CMA exam, and practicing under timed conditions will improve your efficiency. Now let's try the first question. Pause the video now and give yourself 1.5 minutes to solve this question, and then resume checking your answer on the next slide. The correct answer is B. By focusing on providing information that aids decision-making, financial reporting helps users assess the financial health, performance, and potential of the reporting entity, facilitating resource allocation decisions. Now repeat the same steps until the end of the video. The correct answer is C. Financial statement notes provide essential details about specific items in the financial statements, including significant accounting policies, contingent liabilities, and explanations for complex transactions. They enhance transparency and enable users to gain deeper insights into the reported financial information. The correct answer is C. Accrual accounting recognizes revenue when it is earned by delivering goods or services, regardless of when cash is received. This method provides a more accurate reflection of the entity's financial performance during a given period. The correct answer is A. The going concern assumption assumes that the entity will continue its operations for the foreseeable future, allowing financial statements to be prepared on the assumption that the business will continue operating and meeting its obligations. The correct answer is C. Current assets are assets that are expected to be converted into cash or used up within the normal operating cycle of the business or 1 year, whichever is shorter. They are readily available resources that support day-to-day operations. The correct answer is D. The proprietary theory of equity defines equity as the residual interest in the entity's assets after deducting all liabilities. It represents the ownership interest and reflects the net assets available to the owners. The correct answer is C. Property, plant, and equipment are tangible long-term assets used in business operations and are expected to provide economic benefits over multiple periods. They are generally classified as non-current assets. The correct answer is D. Current liabilities represent obligations that are expected to be settled within the operating cycle or the next year, whichever is longer. They typically include accounts payable, accrued expenses, and short-term borrowings. The correct answer is A. Retained earnings represent the accumulated net income of the entity that has not been distributed to shareholders as dividends. Treasury stock, on the other hand, refers to the company's own stock that has been repurchased and is held as an investment by the company itself. The correct answer is D. ASC 718 requires companies to measure the fair value of share-based payments granted to employees as compensation expense. This helps accurately reflect the cost of the equity instruments issued to employees. The correct answer is B. General and administrative expenses typically cover costs that are not directly related to the production or sale of goods and services. Sales representative salaries, on the other hand, are directly associated with generating sales and would be classified as selling expenses rather than general and administrative expenses. The correct answer is B. Comprehensive income represents the total change in equity during a period, including both net income or loss and other comprehensive income items. Other comprehensive income includes various gains or losses that are not recognized in the income statement, but are reported directly in the equity section of the financial statements. The correct answer is C. Stock dividends do not involve the outflow of cash. Instead, they involve the transfer of a portion of retained earnings to common stock. This increases the number of shares outstanding and redistributes the ownership interest among shareholders. We will continue to provide valuable CMA exam resources on our channel, so subscribe and stay updated with our latest videos. Keep up the excellent work, and best of luck with your CMA exam preparation journey.